Hello, it's Black Ace 36. Today I'm going to show you how to do archers. Archers, first you're going to want to learn how to do a 3-beat weave. My previous video will teach you how to start to learn a 3-beat weave. 3-beat weave of course looks like this. And an archer is an advanced move that extends the 3-beat weave into a very cool move. So this is for advanced POI students. I do not advise a beginner to try this. It will frustrate you. First you're going to want to learn some other things and just practice getting comfortable with the POI. But for you advanced POI spinners, I'm going to show you how to do this. So if you look closely, an archer, I keep one arm straight while my other arm is twirling around the arm. So see how I'm going over and under. And then switching arms, over and under. Over and under. So try and keep your wrists connected and do a correct 3-beat weave. And back down the other arm. So the arm that's straight is getting rotated around. Just like this. And a good way to practice it is just hold your arm out straight and just get this motion down. So you're going elbow, shoulder, wrist. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then of course you'd switch. So now this would be the straight arm. And you're going over and under. So then of course, what would be the next step? Be to practice the other arm. Over and under, over and under. Wrist, elbows, shoulder, and back. And then down the other arm, right? So now this arm's straight, and I'm going down. And when you're correctly going to get it down, it's going to go 3-beat, right? Now I want to do an archer, so I straighten my arm, and here I am. Very cool POI trick. It will take some practice, but with time you'll get it. And it feels really cool when you get it down. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.